Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for V-Bucks. First, ensure your Apple device is set up with Apple Pay and a valid payment method. Open your device's settings, then navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. From there, you can easily add a debit or credit card, following the simple on-screen prompts. This initial setup is crucial for smooth transactions when you are ready to make a purchase. Once your Apple Pay is ready, launch the game on your compatible Apple device. Navigate to the in-game store where V-Bucks are available for purchase. Select the specific V-Bucks pack you wish to acquire, for example, a 1,000 V-Bucks pack or a 5,000 V-Bucks bundle. The game will then prompt you to choose your preferred payment method, ensuring a straightforward selection process. After selecting your V-Bucks pack, simply choose Apple Pay as your payment option. Your device will then display the secure Apple Pay interface, ready for your confirmation. You will authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode, providing a quick and secure approval. A successful payment confirmation will appear almost instantly, adding your new V-Bucks to your account. If you encounter any issues, always check your device's internet connection and Apple Pay settings. Ensure sufficient funds are available on your linked payment method to complete the transaction successfully. Remember, V-Bucks purchases are typically non-refundable, so confirm your selection before finalizing. Enjoy your new V-Bucks and all the exciting items you can now acquire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.